fire diamonds are made. Let us welcome a golden age, a golden age. Through the darkness we are prayed, through fire diamonds are made. Let us welcome a golden age, a golden age.
On a night in May, back in 80, tragedy struck, hearts turned weighty. Eventide flames lit up the sky, and 150 souls said goodbye. But out of that ash, a fire anew, a nation's love came shining through. Carlington Sinclair took the lead. On RJR, he planted the seed. Let's build again, the people cried. No more tears, we'll let it slide. Funds poured in from far and near. A dream of hope was growing clear. Golden Age Home was born with grace. A brand new, loving, caring space. Clusters A through H took shape. A quadrangle courtyard, no escape. In 85, with humble pride, 63 moved inside. Though handrails missed and laundry late, the love was great. The rest could wait. Sammy Henriquez, with steady hand and board of stars, they took a stand. With care and courage, they did steer this golden ship through every year. Golden age, golden heart, where dignity and dreams don't part. Over 450 now call it home. In the heart of Kingston, they're not alone.
With excellence we strive each day to meet their needs in every way. With respect we see the soul inside. Every wrinkle holds a story wide. Commitment keeps us standing tall, to serve the least, to serve them all. Integrity is our thread. In every word or path we tread. With professionalism we move with grace. A joyful, peaceful, healing place. Medical, social, spiritual blend. On love and service we depend. So raise your hands and lift your voice. Golden Age is still the choice. From pain we built a sacred dome. This is not just shelter. This is home. Through the darkness we are prayed. Through fire diamonds are made. Let us welcome a golden age. A golden age. Through the darkness we are prayed. Through fire diamonds are made. Let us welcome a golden age. A golden age.
Hug.